Christmas we go? And I will guess.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa.
Hello everybody, what's going on? And welcome to day 5 of Vlogmas. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of my house and show you all of my Christmas decorations, so hopefully this will be a fun video. If you haven't already, make sure you check out the other 4, what's today? The 5th? The other 4 episodes I've already put up. They'll be linked below in the description box. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video right now. Yeah, otherwise let's go ahead and go outside and then we'll work our way in and up the house. Okay, so I do have some Christmas lights on these bushes, but it's light outside obviously, so you can't see them, but they do look pretty good during the night. To welcome you into the house, I have this cute little oh what fun mat going on. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, first room that we're working with here is, I guess, like a living room. I don't know, the house is kind of strange. I have these boxes over here because we don't have a Christmas tree yet, and this right here, these are light bulb lights that go on the lawn, but we're having a hard time finding the stakes for them, so we'll have to get back to that. And then this is mostly for our tree, like this is the star. Then on this couch, I have a cute little ornament pillow. Got that from Home Goods. I love a good bookcase. So on top, I have this Merry Christmas sign. I have these pillows. I have 3 of them. Oops, that one could stand up some more. That I got from my mom. She gave them to me, she handed them down. And then I have this super cute Santa Has the Sniffles book that on the very inside, how cute is that? So that was my book, I guess, when I was little. So I have these nice lights. We have these nice lights on the stairs, but otherwise this is a pretty empty room. But yes, you're right, there are basketballs on the ground. And yes, we do have a basketball court in our living room, so that would explain why there's not a lot of decorations here, but the tree will go over in this corner eventually. You can also see those lights up there decorating my roommate's office. All right, this is the downstairs bathroom. I have this ornament. It's a huge ornament. It actually lights up on the inside. I could have turned that on. I have this cute Christmas towel, also got those handed down to me from my mom. I have this nice Christmas focus. Why? There we go. I have a nice Christmas soap, Snow-Capped Mountain. Always important to have your flavored, you know what I mean, soaps going. And I have this tissue that is Christmas as well. That's a Lico's toothbrush. This is me, this is what we're working with today. A little snowman sweater going on. And then I have this on the wall, one night only, Santa Claus will be coming to town. And finally, this lovely Christmas towel. It matches that little one I already showed you and needs to be evened out a little bit. All right, now we have entered the living room. Probably the cutest part of the living room is the bookshelf or the entertainment center, whatever, right here with the lights on the outside. I've got a little tree down here at the bottom, and then as we work our way up, we have a nice snowman and Santa Claus. And I had to put them up there because Aliko was doing obscene things with them. Then I have this cute ho 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 and a glass of Merlot. And some little candles that don't really have candles in them but are cute to look at. We have all of our stockings up. This is just a plain red stocking. And then we have Christian's stocking. My sisters gave us these a year or 2 ago. They're Star Wars stockings. And then this is Aliko's Santa Paws stocking. They're all hung up. Oh, and I do have another candle over there. I guess it's not really another candle. I haven't really shown you any candles, but I actually got this for free. I bought the Black Friday deal from Bath & Body Works. Worth it. Also have this cute little snowman, I'm sorry, this cute little Santa Claus pillow, like that. Aliko seems to leave it alone. Oops, there we go. And then just so you know, I also have this dog pillow, which when I brought it home, Aliko like knew it was for him or about him. In the kitchen, we will find my first holiday countdown, 20 days until Christmas. It is a countdown, so this is going the right direction. I have these decorative cups. They're like, see? A quarter cup, a third, a half, 1 cup, but they're just for decoration, they're not for use. My roommates have a hard time understanding that. Oops. There we go. Never to leave the dogs out. We have a dog Christmas towel. I guess you like, that's kind of a fingertip towel. I don't know, but you know. And I have another Christmas mat here for doing the dishes. Aliko has his very own Christmas mat to lay on. He likes to lay there while we do the dishes. So this is his Christmas mat. If you watched yesterday's video, you know that yesterday was Aliko's birthday, and these Feliz Navidad and that one says Feed Me bowls were a part of his Christmas present. He loves them. As we come up the stairs, we have a nice little Santy. I like to keep something here at all times for whatever holiday, I guess. So I did have a pumpkin there for like fall. All right, I have another Christmas countdown right here. It is a countdown, so again, counting down, not counting the days up. If you watch my stories on Instagram, I probably posted about the countdown I have going at work. That is like a count up. It's very different. I don't know, I was just talking to my sister about that, so yeah. All right, we've made it to the second bathroom. I don't know if you guys like want to see me during this tour, so yeah, this is what we're doing. I have some more winter candy apple soap. Okay, that would be Christian soap. On my side, I have Woodland Berries. I always have Bath & Body soaps out. Another Christmas towel to match the one I have downstairs. Okay, now we're gonna go into the toilet part of my bathroom, which is oddly one of the cutest parts of my house, decorated for Christmas, so let's check that out. For starters, I have a Christmas shower curtain. It's so hard to think for some reason when I turn on the camera, so sorry for saying all the time and like awkwardly pausing. But okay, I have a Christmas shower curtain, super cute, got that off Amazon, worth it. I don't know how to show you this. I recently got this stand that goes over the toilet, and now I'm able to decorate a lot more in here. So I have this cute little ho 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 and XOXO, a nice non-thematic candle going. On this level we have a couple snowmen and a decorative soap. And then at the bottom, I have another snowman and this super cute Wiggle Butts tree farm going on. Just looks like our little Lego. I also, oh yeah, okay, so when I got that candle from Bath & Body Works, again with the thinking, you had to like spend $40 and it was buy 3, get 3 free. So the best deal is for you to buy everything the same, because then it's half off. So I have so many soaps I need to now put away. I need to find a spot for them. All right, last stop is my bedroom. I just want to show you how cute my sheets are. So 2 pillows, and the sheets, they're Christmas dogs. So cute. And I got those at Home Goods as well. There's a couple other patterns in case you want to get them for yourself. Okay, this is on top of my bed. I know it's a little cockeyed, but is that the right word? But I have these 2 decorations, Let It Snow, and then that small one underneath says Happy Holidays. And then lastly, just because I was running out of space to put things, I have this little Believe sign in front of my TV. One last thing I almost forgot, Christian and his brother come in through the garage. That's where I am now. That's why it's echoing so badly. And so I thought we should get a mat for the garage. Again, dogs, big surprise, and already so dirty, which sucks because it's so cute. But there we go. More Christmas decorations. Oh, and I forgot one more thing. These are pretty random and they're actually like almost out, but I do have some red and green candles going. And then I did forget to show you this when I was in the living room, and it also lights up. I don't think that's gonna show very well. Oh yeah! Yeah, so that also lights up. Alright, so that is going to conclude my holiday decorations house tour. I hope you guys like that. I don't really know how that's gonna turn out. I guess we'll find out when I edit it in a second. But yeah, so comment down below, let me know where you get your holiday decorations from. I might get a couple more things because I'd kind of like some more stuff. I will be getting my Christmas tree on Sunday, so look out for that vlog, and I will be decorating it on some other days, so also look out for that. I will see you guys tomorrow. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thanks for watching.